Anadolu Amphibious assault ship inspected by Turkish Defense Minister. The Anatolian amphibious assault ship, which was in the Marmara Sea, Turkey, was visited by the Minister of Defense of Turkey, Hulusi Akar, along with the leadership of the Turkish Armed Forces TAF, NBSP, by helicopter, as part of a sea acceptance test from the ship, which is also commonly called the TCG Anadolu L400. After landing on the ship, Minister Hulusi Akar was greeted by the ceremonial entourage and received a ship's hat that read TCG Anadolu. During his visit, the Turkish Defense Minister was accompanied by the Chief of the Turkish General Staff, General Yaşar Güler, Army Commander General Musa Avsever, Navy Commander Admiral İsmail Guldogan, and Air Force Commander General Atilla Gülen, said the Turkish Defense Ministry's website. After receiving a briefing from the Chief of Staff of the Turkish Navy, Rear Admiral İsmail Guldogan, Minister Hulusi Akar then went up to the bridge to inspect the ship. After inspecting the ship at the Combat Operations Center, the Secretary of Defense met with the ship's crew and shipbuilding personnel in the section called the pool. Turkey is not a threat to anyone, a reliable, strong and effective ally, said Hulusi Akar. As Turkey, we always tell our interlocutors that we stand for dialogue and peace, and that we want to solve our problems, issues through negotiations within the framework of good neighborly relations and international law, said Hulusi Akar, referring to recent developments in the Aegean Sea and Eastern Mediterranean as well as Turkey's defense and security issues. To the chief editor of Star News Natsal Çelik, who also visited TCG Anadolu, the Minister of Defense of Turkey said this amphibious assault ship was Turkey's largest warship, which was being inspected at the TAF command level. The TCG Anadolu ship is 230 meters long, or more than 2 football fields, with a carrying capacity of 94 vehicles. This ship can carry armored vehicles, amphibious ships, and 700 amphibious personnel. The ship, which is equipped with a hospital with a capacity of 30 beds, has a width of 32 meters, to transport 24 aircraft helicopters of various types, such as T-129 Attack, S-532, CH-47F, S-70B Seahawks, Baykar Bayraktar TB3 and Baykar Bayraktar Xelmi UCAV. With the Anadolu ship, Turkey has a strong capacity to perform various tasks in all seas.